Hi everyone, I have decided after 4 years to get again a latest version of the Dell XPS, and as nobody have yet got those machines in the commercial packaging, I have decided to give you a quick video and walkthrough. So the package is arriving in, it's quite grey. Once you open it, we are presented with a very Apple-like experience of a box inside a box. Sorry. We have a lovely black box with the Dell branding. If you pull this off, you can see a nice, long way around. You can see a nice magnetic latch. Inside we have the laptop. Let's put it to the side at the moment. Inside we got the charger and a booklet with just the usual information, first startup guides and details. The charger is a 130 watt charger, which actually comes now with the USB-C, which is very nice because obviously you can use it to charge other devices. In this section we have the mains cable using a standard laptop charger connector, and a big surprise is actually a HDMI and USB to USB-C adapter, which I find extremely helpful considering that hardly anyone else includes that in the box. Okay, let's peel open the laptop. I believe everyone has already been aware of the design, the magnesium body with a clear cut, 2 Thunderbolt and a Kensington on one side, and the one USB-C and a SD card reader and a headphone jack on the other. The laptop can be opened with a single hand. As you can see, it loads up. This laptop comes with the 10th generation i7 CPU, 6 core, 32 GB of RAM, and a NVIDIA 1650 Ti graphic card with a 4 GB of DDR6 memory. I will be running some more tests and I'll share the video in due course, but for now it's just a quick unboxing video. Hope you enjoy it.